Hello children, I am going to explain chapter on water, page number 42. Now, need for judicious use of water. Water is very essential thing for all living things on the earth. Very little, that is only 2% water on the earth is fresh and safe for drinking. So, we should use water judicially, that is carefully. Now, turn off the tap when not in use. For example, while brushing your teeth. Report the leaky taps or faucet. Faucet is the stopper which is at the end of the tube of the tap. Next is to take a bath. Use bathtub is a bad option. Shower is okay. Bucket is the best option. Next is reuse of water in the family. How we can reuse water? We can use the domestic waste water for watering kitchen garden plants, washing and flushing toilets. Now, need for judicious use of water. Children, as you know that water is very essential, it is very important. It is necessity for plants, animals and other living organisms on earth. The water should be used judicially, that is very carefully, because it is available in limited quantity. And only 2% water on the surface of earth is fresh water. Fresh water is that water which we can use, which we can drink. Now, we should use water judicially, that is carefully. First is use mug instead of running the tap while brushing teeth. So children, we can also use water, we can also take water in a mug and use it for brushing our teeth. Similarly, we can use bucket and mug for bathing instead of using shower, wasting water while standing under the shower. Next is use toilet flush which consumes less water, means in which less water is wasted. One more point is fix leaking taps or pipes. Means if there is any leaking tap or pipe in your home, get it fixed. And who will come to fix it? Yes, children, a plumber. Plumber will come and he will fix it so that we can save water from leaking. Now, save water. Why should we save water? Children, it is very important to know that if we do not save water today, we can run out of this resource. This means this natural resource will finish very soon. And without water, life is not only difficult, but it is impossible. So children, can you imagine your single day without water from morning till night? So can you imagine your whole day without water? No, it is very difficult. So we need water throughout our life. So we have to save it. We have to save it for our future. So there are few ways by which we can save water by reusing it. Reusing water means we can reuse same water which is already being used. Like use kitchen water for watering plants. Now kitchen water is that water which is used for washing vegetables, fruits, rice, so pulses. This water can be used for watering plants. Next is we can reuse rainwater for cleaning floor, washing vehicles, your bicycles, these things. In this way, we can save fresh water and use that fresh water for drinking and for other purposes. Okay children, that's all for now. Thank you.